Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, in the past and the present, I've been told I talk way too much in a lot of my videos. So in hindsight is 2020 sort of way, I have decided to go back and start revamping some of my older videos. Alright, so got that cut out of there. That should sit fairly flat on there. Found a couple pieces of scrap particle board, it looks like, so these probably won't last a long time, but it'll give it a little bit more structure. And what I'm going to do is stick them right down inside there. But the problem that I have here is that holding those there, I'm trying to screw that on the bottom, so I'm going to just screw those in actually through the bottom here for now. Should be able to flip it around and put some bigger screws in that I have over here. This side works too. That is way sturdier than ever self-rolling cart. But I got a couple other ideas that I want to try out here. Well, it's nothing right home about here, but I found another piece of scrap wood. And I'm just going to stick it down in here, and it actually jams down in between the edge of the garbage can and the piece of wood that I put down there on the bottom to kind of hold it. I just got some wood screws, and I'm going to screw them on in here. But they do go too far in the back here, so with the handy dandy grinder you're going to want to grind those off or find some smaller screws. Got done, and that's all I had on there. I went to put this on, and it of course slid down and hit the ground. So what I did, got another piece of scrap wood and just took some screws, screwed it onto the bottom, and I can set that down on there. It doesn't fall down into the bottom or on the floor. And then take this, it'll sit on there like that. Well, as you may or may not be able to tell, I need to sweep my floors up pretty bad, and which brings me back to this right here. And I have since put another board on there with another clip, so I can put my larger broom on there as well as my smaller broom. And then the dustpan, I just put it down in the handle over there. That seems to work fine, and I can roll it anywhere I want. It's been several years. It's holding together. I haven't changed a thing. It's been the way it is this entire time. If I can figure out when I first put up the video, I will put the date down below here somewhere, or at least around that time. And it's holding up fine. It's one of the most used probably tools in my shop as far as things are concerned, even though I don't use it near enough as I need to, because this place is a mess. But regardless, hopefully you've enjoyed this. Hopefully you've gotten some out of this. Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.